Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Open Google Meet and sign in, then create or join a meeting. Once you click Join Now, make sure your mic and camera permissions are allowed by the browser or app. You should test audio immediately using the built-in check so you're not troubleshooting mid-call. If you need privacy, mute your mic and stop video before sharing. Once done, position any windows or tabs you'll share so switching is faster. That speeds everything up and prevents accidents. You're at the ready to present. First, tidy any sensitive content and bring the document, slide deck, or tab to the front. Then click Present Now at the lower right and choose the best option: entire screen for app switching, window for a single app, or Chrome tab for browser content and audio. For videos or sound, select the specific Chrome tab and check Share Audio. Once chosen, click Share and you'll see a green border confirming what participants view. That's how you stay in control. To finish, click Stop Presenting or simply close the shared window. Meet will return to gallery view automatically. If participants report black screen, no audio, or lag, first reselect the correct screen or tab, then refresh the page. If that fails, restart your browser or the Meet app. Make sure browser permissions for camera and microphone are enabled in settings, and run a quick 1-minute dry rehearsal before important meetings. That small test prevents most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.